In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Wise account. Before we begin, make sure you have the Wise app installed on your mobile device and that you're connected to a stable internet network. Having the latest version of the app helps avoid unexpected errors, and keeping your device updated improves security and performance throughout the process. Start by opening the Wise app on your phone. Give it a second to load the welcome screen. Here, you'll see your sign-in options. If you already use Wise, you'll want to log in rather than create a new account, so look for the option that says Log In. You may also see a Sign In with Google button. That's a convenient shortcut if your Wise account is linked to your Google profile. Choose the method that fits how you set up your account. If you're using your email and password, tap Log In to proceed to the sign-in form. This brings up the fields where you'll enter your details. Start with your email address. Type the email you originally used when creating your Wise account. Take a moment to check for typos, especially dots, dashes, and the part after the @ symbol. Getting the email exactly right ensures the app can find the correct account. Next, enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so watch for capital letters, numbers, and any special characters you included. If there's a show or hide toggle, you can briefly reveal the characters to double-check accuracy, especially if your keyboard likes to autocorrect. Make sure you're in a private space and never share your password with anyone. Using a reputable password manager can help you keep your credentials secure and prevent mistakes when typing. When everything looks correct, tap Log In to continue. The app will process your details and take you into your Wise account. Depending on your settings and the device you're using, you may occasionally see a quick security prompt for added protection. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be in shortly. If the login doesn't work the first time, carefully review the email spelling and password and ensure your internet connection is solid. Small errors are the most common reason for failed sign-ins. Closing and reopening the app can also refresh the session if the screen seems stuck. That's all there is to it. You opened the Wise app on your mobile device, selected the login option that suits you, tapped Login, entered your email address and password, and tapped Login again to access your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign in smoothly and securely.